Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we dive into the world of electric vehicles and provide you with the latest news and updates. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're taking a look at the Chinese EV market, which was quite volatile last week. So, what happened? Well, it's no secret that many major players in the industry took a hit due to the public holiday, with some experiencing significant drops in sales. NIO was the exception, but even they couldn't escape the downturn entirely. In fact, their brand Onvo managed to register just 1,280 vehicles, down 14.7% from the previous week. But let's take a closer look at how this impacted some of these companies. BYD, for example, saw a 4.6% decline in sales, with their brand Denza taking a harder hit, down 26.2% compared to the previous week. Meanwhile, Tesla took a bigger hit, with their sales dropping by 29.2%. Xpeng wasn't immune either, seeing a 22.9% decrease. Now, it's worth noting that these numbers are based on China EV data tracker data and may not reflect the company's self-reported monthly sales figures. You see, many of these companies have stopped publishing their weekly sales data due to the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers' recommendation. But what we do know is that this data provides a crucial insight into the sales trend and helps investors forecast monthly deliveries. So, how did some of these companies fare? BYD saw a record-breaking month in April, with nearly 372,000 passenger vehicles sold, up 19.4% from last year. That's impressive, especially when you consider their ambitious target of selling 5.5 million cars in 2025. And Li Auto, they had a record-breaking week as well, with sales increasing by 32.6%. It seems they're on track to meet their goal of selling 700,000 cars this year. But let's not forget about the newcomers trying to make their mark in the market. NIO's Firefly brand has launched its first EV, and it's already generating interest. Although, it's worth noting that it can't currently swap batteries, which might be a major drawback for some buyers. And then there's Xiaomi, another smartphone giant looking to break into the EV market. The overall picture is mixed, with some companies thriving while others struggle. But one thing is clear. The Chinese EV market is still evolving and will likely continue to see ups and downs in the coming months. That's all for today's episode of ElectroDrive News. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back with more news from the world of electric vehicles soon.